Hello friends, welcome back to the Python programming session. In the previous sessions, we had looked into the text widget and we had also looked into a method called rSaveAsFile which is present in file dialog. Using these two concepts, that is the text widget and rSaveAsFile, let's see how we can save the details entered by the user in the text widget onto a file in the local system. So let's get started. So initially, let me have my let me import the libraries from Tkinter import all from Tkinter dot file dialog import ask save as file. So we're importing these two, that is the Tkinter we're importing all, and from file dialog we're importing our save as file. So now let's create our main window equal to tk win.title. Let me give it as saving details written in the entered in the text widget, and win.geometry. Let me give it as 300 pixels by 300 pixels. So these are the three things which I have given for creating a Tkinter window, that is Tkinter window, title and then geometry. Now let's add our text widget. Text equal to text, place it in the main window, and font for the text should be equal. I'm giving it as equal to Arial, comma, font size as 10. Now let me place my text widget onto the screen. So text dot place. I'm using the place geometry manager. I'm giving x equal to 20, y equal to 20, height is 200 and width is 200. Now let me create a button. Place it in the main window. Text on it, let me save it as equal to save. Font for this I'm giving it as equal to Arial. Arial. And font size I'm giving it as equal to 10. And for the button I'm giving a width equal to 10, border equal to 10, and command on the click of the button it should call the function save. And now let me place it onto the main window. I'll say button 1 dot place x equal to 50, y equal to 250. So I've created my text widget and my button widget, and on the click of the button the Save As dialog box should appear, and it should allow the user to create a new file or select an existing file. So let's see how we can write that particular function. So here let me say def save and here let me say proverb equal to From the text box, I'm getting the details. So from the beginning till the end. So I'll give 1.0b. It means from the beginning till the end. So all the details will be saved in the proverb. And now let me open my file. File equal to ask save as file, and by default let me open it in the let the initial directory be initial directory, let it be equal to d:/python underscore programs. So this is my initial directory, and let my default extension, in what extension the file should get saved. It should be equal to, I'm saving it as a text file. So this file will have the file pointer to the file which we are creating or using an existing file. Whatever file we have selected, it will return the file pointer. And with this file pointer, now we can write the details. So file.write proverb. So whatever proverbs we are going to enter in the text widget will be saved in the file in the local system with this particular code. So here we are creating a main window. Then I'm having a text widget, a button widget, and on the click of the button, it will open the file browser. So we can select an existing file or create a new file, and the details, whatever is there in the text widget, will be entered, written into the file. So this is a simple code. Hope so friends you have understood it. Now let's execute it and see. So it's a spelling mistake. So now let me execute it. I have to create my main event loop. I have forgotten that. So I have to create a main event loop. So win dot main loop. So now when I run the code, let me run the code. Let me close my earlier sessions. Okay, now let me run the code. So I get my text widget, which is this particular text. So it's placed in the main window. So this is the text widget, and save is my button widget. So on the click of the button, the command save gets executed. That is, it will call the function save. So now when I click the button save, the save function gets executed, and it will give a file browser asking us to select a file or create a new file. So now when I click this particular button, I get this particular file browser. My location is D drive Python programs, because I've given my initial directory as D drive Python programs. So this will be having D drive and then Python program. So this is my initial directory, and the default extension in which I want to save is a text file. So here I can say, let me enter the details initially. Let me enter some details. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Next one, a stitch in time saves 9. So these two proverbs I've entered. Now let me click on the save button. By default it will be Python programs, D drive Python programs. Let me create a new file called proverb. proverb 1 or just proverb, and let me save it. So let's check into the file. Let's go to Python programs. Proverb is our text file. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. A stitch in time saves 9. These two proverbs have been saved. Now let us execute our code once again, and let me write another proverb. Make hay while the sun shines. So this is my proverb. Now let me save it. I want to save it in my existing proverb. So let me give it as existing text file. I'm selecting. Initially we had created the new text file proverb. Now in the proverb text file itself, I want to save this particular proverb. So whatever contents are previously there in the proverb text file will be overwritten with the new contents. Want to replace it? Yes. So now when I check my proverb, Python programs proverb, it will have make hay while the sun shines. So friends, whatever details user enters in the text widget, we can capture it within a file in our local system. The details written in the text widget can be saved into the local file in the local system. So it need not be just a text widget. Even if the user enters some details in the entry widget, we can save it in our local system as a file. So this comes in handy when we are doing coding such that we want to capture the details written in the text or the entry widget entered by the user into our local system file. So in such scenarios, it comes in handy. Hope so friends, it was clear for you. If you have any doubts, please do reach to me out in the comment section. If you like my video, click on the like button and please do subscribe to get notifications of my new videos. Till then, see you. Bye bye.